sorry, I kept you all waiting. It was for a good reason, you'll find out. Okay, girls.
I'm Corinne Tess from Holly Village number 6. Happiness. I am Peyton Serrano from Holly Village number 6, and my office is confidence. My name is Bridget Golden, and I'm from Holly Village number 6, and my species is kindness. I'm Samantha Walton, pledge rep and cheerleader, and this year we went laser tagging. And we had a giant raffle of $2,000. Winner got $1,000, and we saved 10 acres of the rainforest.
Well, that Pledge Mother for Holly Pledge number 6.
She knows how to fundraise.
Morgan Singleton, and I'm from Iris Pledge 7, and I was the associate pledge sister. I am Janet LaRue, and I'm from Iris Pledge number 7, and I am kindness. Miss Little, Supreme Worthy Advisor. Miss Nate, Supreme Inspector. Miss Brandon, State Pledge Director. Good morning, everyone. Good evening. My name is Sarah LaRue, and I am Pledge Representative for Iris Pledge Group 7. This year, we made cookies for the kids with cancer and cards for the soldiers. We also got a new pledge mother, Miss Chrissy, used to be a pledge of Iris Pledge, but now that she's old,
She's our state pledge director, she's not old.
she's our pledge mother. We'd like to invite you to come to our meetings. They will be somewhere in Monmouth County. As soon as we find out, we'll let you know. Enjoy the rest of the convention. And one more thing. Janet, flowers. Come on. For being our pledge mother for this year, we reward you with these flowers. And I don't think you're old.
And I'm Chrissy Gianfrido, Pledge Mother, Iris Pledge Group on Earth, the best pledge group on there, then I'm not old.
Hannah Vanowitz, Clifton Pledge 18, cheerleader. My name is Shannon Joy from Clifton Pledge, number 18. I'm a pledge sister. My color is green. My charity is breast cancer, and my symbol is a butterfly, and my theme is inner beauty.
And when are you turning 11?
March 14th. My name is Sarah Bunny for Clifton Pledge Group 18, Kindness. My name is Mariah Paul, and I'm from Clifton Pledge Group number 18, and my station is Happiness. Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm from Clifton Pledge Group number 18, and I am confidence. I am doing silly, and I'm Catholic. I'm Amy Bunny. My pledge group is Clifton Group number 18, and I'm Father.
It just dawned on me, the Clifton Pledge, who was so close to turning 11, was the young lady who was initiated this morning. I knew one of them was about to turn 11. She already did.
Wait a minute, but we have one more turning 11. In October. Yeah. My name is Vera Dacak. I am the proud, very proud, pledge mother of Clifton Pledge number 18. We have been around for a while, and I hope to keep the group going just as long as they've been around already. And by the way, yes, I was in Rainbow and now in Pledge.
So you're going,
Yeah, we're
I
back.
just didn't know you hadn't seen you graduate yet.
And Chrissy, where are you, Chrissy? We have a debate here. Clifton Pledge is still better than yours.
She said it for the record, she does.